Here we are at our property at 109 Lansing Drive. Very nice two-story home. Very nice neighborhood. This is a fully renovated property. We step inside to a nice entry, a formal living room. Got a view of our entry. Two coat closets. To this side, we have a great room with a fireplace. New hardwood flooring, new light fixtures. Off the great room, we have a large formal dining room. Plenty of windows, open and bright. Off the great room and dining room, we've got a kitchen. We'll be installing new appliances. This has a new tile flooring. Breakfast area. Kitchen is also open to the living room. Could also make that a dining room if the room in the back wanted to be used as something else. This opens onto a nice wood deck. Overlooks a wooded area to the rear. Got two finished rooms and the garage and the basement through those doors. Here we have a powder room with a new cabinetry and granite countertop. Take a look upstairs. Upstairs we have 4 bedrooms. To the left upstairs we have a master with a tray ceiling. Very nicely sized. New carpet, paint, blinds, and light fixtures. Master has 2 very large walk-in closets in the bath suite. In the master, we've got a garden tub. Nice window looking out. Also got double vanity with marble countertop, separate shower, and a private commode area. Going out of the master in the hall, we've got a washer-dryer closet, a second hall bath, again, new cabinets, and a shower tub combination. Have our second bedroom. Again, new paint, carpet, light fixtures, blinds. Third bedroom, oversized. Plenty of closet space. Fourth bedroom, very spacious. And over here we have a linen closet.